you all are good and fine at your places. I'm your physical education teacher Vikrant. So class, in this class video we're talking about your unit 3 yoga and lifestyle. Okay class? So class, let's start the class. In this class video, basically we're talking about all these points. So first point is introduction of the unit. Then we're talking about the meaning and definition of yoga and lifestyle. Then we're talking about asana as a preventing measure. Then we're talking about the benefit of asana, prevention of disease. Okay. So first of all, the introduction of the unit. Okay. So basically, this unit to related to yoga, asanas, and your lifestyles. Okay. So basically, in your lifestyle, which problems are we are facing, how to basically health related problems we are facing now, just like obesity, hypertension, back pains, obesity, or asthma, like these types of disease we facing in our daily lifestyles. So, so how to yoga helping to preventing this all types of disease to curing. Okay, so basically this unit related to all these points. Okay, class. So first we're talking about, then after introduction of the unit, now we're talking about the meaning of yoga and lifestyles. Okay, so class. Now we're talking about the yoga. What is the meaning of yoga? So first, what is the importance of yoga in your daily life in modern yuga? Basically, indeed, it is a astonishing fact that a yogic traditional, which is more than 5,000 year old. Okay, it means the yoga is a 5,000 year old, has recently become a popular way of life. Presently, people consider that yoga is a significant means to achieve a healthy as well as positive lifestyle. Okay, in fact, the power of yoga lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and diversities. As a matter of fact, yoga helps in improving our flexibility, lower our stress level, and increase our confidence, and finally contributes to a healthier lifestyle on the whole. There are various lifestyle diseases like obesity, diabetes, asthma, hypertension, back pain, margin, and the last one is depression, which can be prevented and treated up to some extent with the help of creatine yoga exercise. Okay, so basically, how to helping the yoga in the your lifestyle, or how to go, take your health. So basically, this unit will telling you how to do these types of yoga and how to helping. Okay, so basically the meaning of yoga is essential and spiritual discipline based on extremely suitable science, which focus on bring harmony between mind and body. Okay, is related to your mind and body. It is a art and science of healthy living. The word yoga is divided for the described from the Sanskrit roots. Okay, so basically yuj means to join, or yog means to unite. Okay, so firstly, yoga is a two word combination. So first word is yuj, then join is yuj means join, or to yoke, or the to unit. Okay, so it's bring together physical and mental disciplines to achieve peaceful body and mind, and also it's help manage stress and anxiety and keep you relaxing. It also help in increasing flexibility your your joints, muscle strength, and body tone. And it improves your respiratory system, energy, and volatility. Okay, so yoga asana build the strength, flexibility, and also the your confidence level. Okay, so basically this is the meaning of yoga, to how to define the yoga. So basically it is the main meaning of the yoga. Okay, there is some author was saying to the yoga definition. So basically according to Patanjali, asana means, okay, so asana means is Sitaram Sukham Asana. Okay, so basically the meaning of Sitaram Sukham Asana is that position which is comfortable and steady. Okay, so this is the meaning of Sitaram Sukham Asana. And according to Brahmanisad, so according to Brahmanisad, the asana meaning is to sit in a comfortable position or posture for everlasting period is called asanas. Okay, so basically this is a calling according to Brahmanisad. The meaning of asana is to sit proper and comfortable position or posture for everlasting period is called asanas. Okay, and also the asana is a means through which physical and mental development is achieved, prevents of disease and delay in aging are the desired effect that can be achieved through yogic exercise. Okay, so that is the way to helping to your physically healthy and also the lifestyle to yoga. Okay class, so basically this is the meaning and definition of yoga and asanas. Then now we're talking about the lifestyles. Okay, so basically the lifestyle meaning is the definition of lifestyle is the way you live, including your style, attitude, and positions. When you have all luxury item and can buy whatever you want, this is an example of your lifestyle. The concept integrate way of life of individual as a typified by the his or her manner, just like attitude, position, etc. Okay, then lifestyle choose can including the physical activity, healthy diet, stress reduction, sleep, quieting smoking, and good oral hygiene. If your habits are already healthy, make sure to maintain them. If one or more of these areas need improvement, pay some extra attention to it. Okay, so basically the lifestyle is related to your attitude, position, and when you have all the buy the luxury item and can you buy whatever you want. So this is an example of lifestyles. Okay, then the physically related lifestyle is basically which parts you quieting and avoiding. So basically you quieting the bad habits, smoking, or also the many harmful things you will not doing. Okay, then how to going to a healthy lifestyle maintaining. So basically physical activity, through physical activity and also the through healthy diet, stress reduction, sleep properly, and also the quieting smoking and good oral hygiene. मीन्स अपने बॉडी की साफ सफाई का ध्यान रखना, अपने आसपास सफाई का ध्यान रखना, दिस टाइप्स ऑफ हैबिट्स. ओके ओके एंड ऑल्सो द if you maintaining the already these types of healthy habits, so basically you maintain them for long times. If one or more these areas need improvement, pay some extra attention to it. Okay, means if the more area will be taking more attention, so you will do it. That's why to give proper living a healthy lifestyles. Okay, class. So this is the basically meaning of yoga asanas and your lifestyles. Okay, class. So class, our next topic is asana as preventing the measure. Okay, so basically the meaning of asanas as preventing the measure is asana is a body posture, originally a sitting pose for meditation and later in Hatha yoga and modern yoga adding the standing just like Trikonasana, sitting is Padmasana, relaxing Savasana, inverted is Sirsasana, and also the balancing is Kutkut forward bend is calling a Kutkut forward bend, and also the we calling the in yogic language Paschimottanasana, and backward is Dhanurasana. The yoga stated of Patanjali defined as a position that is steady and comfortable. Okay, so basically that is the meaning of the asana preventing measure. Okay, class. So let's move next page. Okay, so in next page there are some benefits of asanas for prevention of disease. Okay, so basically the first benefit is bones and joints become strong. Okay, so basically how to bones and joints are becoming strong. So basically as a result of performing asana regularly, the bones, cartilage and ligament become strong. Along with this, the height of children enhance, and the joints are able to bear more pressure, and also the asana enhance the flexibility of joint. The flexibility of spine is also enhanced, and the postural deformities can also be prevented and corrected. Then arthritis is also cured by performing asana due to spinal injuries, injuries or problems like back pain, sciatica, and clavicle pain develop. By performing these types of asanas, these problems are greatly controlled. Okay, so basically how to asana helping to you improving your bones and joints becoming strong, and also there are some others benefit into bones and joints to helping to your flexibility, spinal flexibility, and also many types of disease going to cure through asanas. Okay, the next benefit is muscles become strong. Okay, so if you performing the asanas regularly, so your muscles of the body become strong, and the efficiency of muscles increase, and also the fat does not accumulate in your body. Okay, so through asana your muscle becoming strong if you performing the regular. So okay, the next benefit is circulation of blood become normal. Okay, you can see some persons have a blood pressure issue, it's like high and low blood pressure. So through asanas your blood circulation becoming a normal. So if you performing or practicing asana regularly, the stroke volume as well the cardiac output increases because cardiac muscles start working more strongly and efficiently. The blood circulation is improved and body pressure normalizes and stabilizes. level of blood cholesterol reduced by performing asana. The lactic acid and acid phosphate are extended for muscles quickly and easily, which reduce fatigue. Okay, so basically why we will feeling the fatigue? So basically the lactic acid and phosphate are जिम्मेदार होते हैं इस चीज़ के, मीन्स they are responsible for these types of chemical reaction in our body. When you doing any physical activity or exercise, so your muscles releasing the lactic acid, so this acid will be feel you fatigue. So this acid will be responsible for feeling to fatigue or इस टाइप्स ऑफ बोल सकते हैं थकान टाइप्स में. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट बेनिफिट इज respiratory organs become efficient. Okay, the respiratory organs become efficient. The vital air capacity increase up to 6000 cc. The size of lungs and chest also enhance. As a result of doing asana, there will be power become strong, and various diseases such as cough, asthma, and cancer of trachea can be prevented. Okay, so through asanas, your respiratory organs basically affecting to your respiratory organs, just like your lungs और बेसिकली रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम्स में बेसिकली हमारा जो मेन पार्ट होता है वो है लंग्स. सो asana will be affecting your lungs, give you a benefit to respiratory when you inhaling the oxygen. So proper inhaling the oxygen and proper way performing the all normal way in your respiratory systems. Okay, then next benefit is of asana is efficiency of digestive system increases. Okay, so by performing asana regularly, all organs of digestive system of our body being to work effectively. Okay, so all the organs of related to digestive systems basically through asana work properly. Okay, or work properly and effectively. The absorption of food, appetite increase. Okay, stomach and intestines also strengthened. Constipation, indigestion, and gas trouble are reduced. Okay, so these types of benefit will be giving the asanas. Okay, then next benefit is nervous system strengthness. Okay, so our nervous system strengthens, the working efficiency of sympathies enhance. The neuromuscular coordination increases. Activities of our body will be done expending less energy. Okay, the active body will be expending the less energy, and the section of adrenaline remain good. The section of adrenaline depend on the sympathetic nervous system. The reaction time also reduce. Mental power also improve, and memory power improve, and feeling of disappointment reduce. So regular practice of asanas reduce anxiety and stress. Is also reduce sleep disorders. Okay, so next benefit is glandular activity is stimulated and regulated properly. Okay, so if you performing the asana regularly, the glandular activity and stimulated are regulated properly. So glands started producing hormones in sufficient quantity, which are controlled and kept so that they may be unsliced at the time of need. The demand of insulin reduced and regular practice of asana improve diabetes management. Asana help in maintaining a balanced development of our body. Okay. So next benefit is efficiency of excretory system enhanced. So as a result, the waste products such as lactic acid, acid phosphate, urine, uric acid, and sulfates are extracted quickly and properly, which in turn help to delaying fatigue. Okay, so efficiency of external system enhanced through asanas. Okay, so this is the benefit of asana for prevention of disease. Then next benefit is immune system is strengthened by carrying out regular practice of asanas. Our immune system is strengthened. So as a result, become less prone to various communicable disease. In conclusion, it can be said that regular practice of asanas is help in preventing various diseases, especially that one that related to our lifestyles. Okay, so basically these are benefit related to our regular lifestyles. You facing these types of problem in our lifestyle, just your bones going to lose. No, your bones are not well strong and muscles will be not strong and your blood circulation is not proper, not circulating your body, and also your respiratory system not working in the basically the regular lifestyle and these types of situation. And also your digestive system affecting, nervous system, and just like your internal organs are affecting, and also the last one is immune system. Okay, so basically the asana will be helping to how this all types of giving to benefits. Okay class. Okay class, so I hope you all understand about the what is the meaning of asanas and yoga, and also the what is the meaning and definition of lifestyle. Then what is the benefit of asanas prevention of disease. Okay, so class, stay fit, stay healthy. Thank you class.